In just a mo, I'll give you a brief explanation behind each answer, linking the vocabulary or contextual links between the text and the question. I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your coursebook is open in front of you, and please stop and rewind the video as you need to take the time to find the vocabulary and contextual links that I'll be talking about. Ready? Then let's go. For question 1, the answer is A. Seamus gives an opinion about why the produce may be unappealing, because this opinion regarding being unappealing is seen in A, where it says, people are familiar with its texture, smell and colour and are put off by this. The key phrasal verb which means unappealing is to be put off by something. For question 2, the answer is C. Dr. Ali thinks that this type of cultivation will have positive implications for other produce, because the positive implications and type of cultivation are seen in the last two sentences of C in talking about the cultivation method and that it can be applied to different crops. For question 3, the answer is B. Dr. Post, because the highlighting of the negative view of critics mentioned in question 3 is seen in B, where it says, there are other people who say you will never be able to make it taste exactly like meat. So there are lots of skeptics. For question 4, the answer is Seamus predicts that people could be unaware they are consuming this product, because people being unaware is seen in A, where it says it's more than likely that salt could be replaced by seaweed granules in many supermarket ready meals and people wouldn't even notice the difference. For question 5, the answer is D, Dr. Melville, because the surprisingly unexpected place for cultivation mentioned in question 5 is seen in D, where it says, one possible location might be the desert, which, although not usually associated, in other words, is surprisingly unexpected, with either fish or water, is actually ideal. For question 6, the answer is B. Dr. Post admits he could be mistaken about something, because the admission about being mistaken can be found in B, where it says, we are working under the assumption which might be naive. For question 7, the answer is C. Dr. Ali is sure that a solution to an increased need for food has been discovered, because this being sure about the issue discussed is found in C, where it says, rice production must double in this region to support a rapidly rising population, and we believe GSR technology is the answer. For question 8, the answer is D, Dr. Melville, because the advantage as mentioned in question 8 is found in D, where it says cobia is preferable to salmon, ... because it isn't as prone to disease and reaches maturity in half the time. For question 9, the answer is C. Dr. Ali describes how a particular farming problem can be resolved, because the problem being resolved can be found in C, where it talks about a weed-tolerant GSR variety which establishes itself much faster than weeds, and further regarding the use of chemicals and being less harmful. For question 10, the answer is A, Seamus, because A says, while we're not anticipating it becoming a staple or main part of the local diet, which links to the lack of growth of demand from the locals as mentioned in question 10.